Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning about snake game. In this game, this part include the constants where I have to find the constant that will be used in game. This is the block size, means the each block segment will be of 20 pixel. The map width and height, here it's the screen width which is in calculated based on the block size and map dimensions, and initial delay, it means the initial speed of the game. Next part we have data structures. So here we have defined the position of the structures, x and y coordinate to represent the position on the screen, and next is enum for the movement that represents the up, down, left and right movement. Next we have global variable section. Here I have to find the vector of position which represents the snake segment, and it starts with the 20 and 15 axis, x-axis of 20 and y-axis 15. Next is position for food that is randomly on the screen, and then movement will start initially from the right, will be starting in the right side. Initially the score is 0, and delay time we know that the speed of the game. Next we have the function for creating the food which places the food on the screen randomly and ensures that the food does not overlap over on the screen, means the randomly positions the food and checks for the overlap with the snake segment. Next we have void move snake section which is for the movement of the snake and handle food consumption and its growth when it will be eating the food. Moves the snake in current direction which updates the position of its head and checks if the snake has eaten the food. If it has eaten, then it updates the score and again generates the new food on the new position, then adjusts the game speed based on the score. If the score is increasing, then the game speed is also increasing randomly. Then next we have function for the check collision. Here it checks if the snake had collide with the boundaries on the map, or if it collides with the snake only. If this is true, if collision is detected, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Then next we have handle user input, which is to change the direction of the snake. Right key for right movement, and then left, up and down. Next we have draw game to draw the elements on the screen. Fill rectangle for the segment of the snake. Then this is for the food, red color denotes the food. Then we will be showing the score on the top of the screen. Then next comes the game over. When there is collision detected, then the game will be over and final score will be shown on the screen. Then is the main loop of the game, which opens a window which named snake game, and it has specific dimensions. Then enters a loop that continue until the window is closed or collision is detected. The game will be continue until the collision is detected. Then updates the snake position, checks for the collision, and redraws the game in each iteration. We control the game speed using the delays, and after that display the game over screen when the collision is detected and the game ends. So this is the output of the snake game. We can see the green color snake running on the screen, and red square is the food on the screen. So we can see snake movement also, and here the game over screen also appears.